I have two ways that I get military families. So one is by creating relationships with relocation agents, because the military often has a relocation agent and oftentimes they're realtors that will, and other times, like Welcome Home Relocations is one that we've used for many years. They will be assigned to a military family to help them relocate, get their bank accounts, find their schools, all that kind of stuff, find a property, insurance, all that stuff. So Welcome Home Relocations or any other relocation agents. So if you Google relocation agent military Ottawa, oftentimes you'll get some realtors that come up, and it's because they have an agreement with the military to be those people. So that's one place. You can then, every time we had a vacancy in these places, we don't really have to do that anymore just because we've got these relationships with them now. But I had a list of people that are relocation agents that deal with the military, and anytime there was one, I would just send it off to them and just email it to them, say, hey, here's some pictures, here's the write-up, or now I would probably send a link. That's one way. The other way that we get them for the military is I just advertise on whatever the best websites. So if you were military, what areas would you want to live in? So, make sure you're buying in those areas or own in those areas, or if you already do, then you would just, put in the an ad as a headline, attention military families, or attention military guys. I had one place that wasn't so nice, and so I was like, hey, a bunch of military guys want to live here, I don't care. So there was 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 down. So I had for a couple of years, and they're great, because this is the beauty of military. They don't pay their rent. You call their commander, and believe me, you have a check the next day. They're not allowed to not pay their rent. So, and they're not allowed to damage your place either. And they have to keep it clean. So they're ideal tenants where someone else is watching over that for you. So